In order to determine the domain of a quotient function, one has to remember a quite simple rule. This rule states that we cannot divide by zero. For this reason, the domain is the set of all non-zero real numbers. This set can be written in three different ways. Now let's determine the domain of a more complex function. We take as an example the function 1 over x minus 2. The first thing that we have to check is that the denominator is not equal to 0. For this reason, we need to check for which value of x minus 2 is equal to 0. By solving the equation x minus 2 equals 0, we find that the forbidden value is 2. For this reason, the domain is the set of real numbers excluding 2, which can be denoted in three different ways. Now let's find the domain of one more complex function. Let's take the function x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 times x plus 3. There is no constraint on the numerator because we can divide any number. However, the denominator has to be non-zero. For these reasons, we need to ensure that x minus 1 times x plus 3 is non-zero. We need to remember that the product of factor is equal to 0 if and only if one of the factors is equal to 0. For this reason, as long as x minus 1 is not equal to 0 and x plus 3 is not equal to 0, the denominator is not equal to 0. By solving the equation x minus 1 equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0, we find out that the forbidden values are 1 and minus 3. We can now deduce that the domain is the set of real numbers excluding minus 3 and 1, which can be denoted as previously in three different ways.